The first stage that I want you to take is, I want you to visit youtube.com, search for numerous videos that you can watch, and click on any of these videos. The second stage that I want you to follow is to make sure you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video, and the third stage, boom, you earn dollars. When you scroll through, you'll find out that these are real payment proofs from population all over the world. They were eligible to earn these amounts for every individual video that they watch. You too can earn money like this as adequately. If you watch one YouTube video, you can receive $3. When you're watching 20 YouTube videos, you can earn $60, and when you're watching for 50 videos a day, you can earn $150. The beautiful part of this is that you can just repeat this process again and again and keep on making money. This is a 100% free legitimate strategy. YouTube is accessible globally. You can watch it from any country in the planet using your mobile phone or computer. I'll demonstrate you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch, so make sure to keep your eyes fixed to the screen and keep watching until the end. But before we proceed, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way. So if you are watching this video, please hit the subscribe button below this video, provide a like, and turn on the notification, so that you won't miss out on any awesome videos that I'll be dropping as time goes on. And if you ever have any concerns, question, or opinions about the video, I stimulate you to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I'll demonstrate you how you can watch simple YouTube videos and earn up to $3 for every single video that you watch. The first effort to take now is to click on this sign in button right on top, and that's going to direct you to this page. And if you don't have a YouTube account, just go ahead and create a free YouTube account via Google and sign up on YouTube. When you log into your YouTube account, you'll notice the best performing videos right now shown by YouTube. For example, sports, music, gaming, news, and so on. On this video, I'll show you a secret method which has never been shared before by anybody. Now I want you to click on this gaming section and it will direct you to this page. There are millions of people watching these videos on YouTube, but they don't know they could be making a lot of money just by watching these videos, and I'll demonstrate you actually how to do that, and that's actually what these guys are doing to earning big on YouTube. Here's the first bonus tip that I'm going to share with you. I want you to focus on this section of video which is Among Us. This is one of the most famous games right now, which is trending. They are picking up a good trend right now, and as you can see here, the viewers are increasing, and a lot of people want to watch these kinds of gaming videos, and you could leverage on this opportunity to cash out. From there, when you click on this category Among Us, it will direct you to this page where you can find some particular videos about Among Us. Look at all of these live streaming videos that are running right now, and all you got to do for the next stage is to click on any of these live videos. For example, if I click on this specific one, it's going to direct me to this page where they are running live streaming, and a lot of people are watching these videos because they are hot in demand. And if you are watching this video, you are going to make a lot of money as well. So make sure you keep watching, and I'll show you actually how you can make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube video, and you can repeat this again and again for a lot of numerous YouTube videos right in this section. For you to turn these YouTube videos into real money, we need to visit the second website, which is 7r6.com. This website allows you to shorten the URL links gotten from these videos and turn them into real money. And this is very easy to carry out. This method is different and has never been disclosed, so this is an alternative for you to make a ton of money if you watch this video until the end. If you guys are appreciating this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go ahead. So the theory is really easy. All you need to do is sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there you have to shorten several URL links of several YouTube videos, and I'll demonstrate you exactly how to do it in just a minute. For stage number 3, you could be making money on every sole video. Now very shortly, I just want to reveal you one example of exactly how it works. Let's think you are watching this specific YouTube video. Under here, you can find the share button. Click on the share button and you will be able to locate the YouTube URL link of this specific gaming video. When you find the URL link, just copy the video URL link. Go back to the website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box and then click on this small button. When you click on that button, the website will automatically shorten the YouTube video link and develop a new one. So anytime somebody clicks on this new shortened link, you are going to get paid. Once you've earned your money, you can use your PayPal account or any other payment options to process the payment and you'll get paid without stress. So the first stage that I want you to take is to go back to the home page, and I prefer you to click on the sign up button, and from there that's going to take you to this page where you can register a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100% free and this is available globally. Put in your username, your email, your password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and finally click on the register button. When you log into your account, this is what you're going to see right here on your dashboard. For stage number 2, I want you to click on this button on top, which is a new shortened link. That's where we are going to copy and paste our YouTube URL link and we can shorten that link. All we are going to do is just go back to our YouTube video and we are going to click on the share button and copy this URL link. Then go back to the dashboard and paste the link right here in this box, and I want you to click on the shorten button and you can see that's the shorten link. What you are going to do in step 3 is so easy. All you require to do here is go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more videos that you copy the link, the better money you are going to earn. The bonus tip that I want to share with you is that I want you to focus on this specific category because you are going to be making a ton of money, and I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. For example, I'm going to click on this video. That's going to take me to another brand new live streaming video. With these enormous video views, you are going to be making so much money from there. Once again, we are going to repeat the same method. Click on the share button, copy the URL link, go to 7r6.com and paste in the second link. Now click on shorten, and that's the second thing that we've successfully shortened. Just repeat the same method. Search for different videos, copy the link and then shorten the URL link. Now here's the final step. What you'll do here is simply visit steamcommunity.com, which is a gaming website platform where a lot of people are communicating different techniques to play different games. And right now on the Among Us, there's just so many numerous conversations going on. A lot of people are talking about this game and it's just so trending and so prominent right now. They're getting millions and millions of users every single day. This is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend. Combine the power of 7r6.com and you can make a lot of money from all these YouTube videos. Getting begun here is straightforward. Just sign up for a free account on the Steam community. You can open up a movement, put up a post and share your shortened link into the Steam community. And from there, you are going to be getting a ton of clicks and a bunch of people will view your link. Click on your link and watch the video. So for every single click, you are going to be making money, and from just one video, you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you dudes who are staying tuned, I want to give you a special bonus tip that will help you to earn additional money than others. This is going to be a secret website that they'll never reveal to other people, but I want to share this confidential website with you because I want you to alter your financial status within a short period. The secret website is moot.us. This is an outstanding forum where you can find several people sharing about this game, and there are a lot of people posting up several images, various photos, and different videos. As you can observe here, they are getting hundreds and thousands of views about Among Us gaming. And since you watch this video until the end, I want to share this alternative with you, and particularly if you focus on this category and when you copy the link of this kind of videos, which is live streaming videos, you could be getting massive views and you are going to be making a bunch more money. So right now, as the ultimate bonus that I want to share with you to help you make a fraction more money is that I want to give you this 100% free copy and paste template that you can use, and from there you can just copy this template and you can share this on this Steam Society or the moot.us forum as well. From there, you are going to be getting a plenty of clicks on your shortened link and you are going to be making a lot of money. So this is just one of the examples which are very easy and you are going to be getting a lot of clicks. The template says, have you guys check out this amazing Among Us gameplay video, distinctly video. It is mind-blowing, and then you can watch the live streaming right here, and then this is where you are going to put in your shortened link. So just go back to your dashboard and just copy it right here and go back to our template and paste the link right there. And for the shortened link, all we have to do is just copy this whole template and then we just have to post them into the Steam community or the forum. You don't have to put in a lot of effort because for these particular gaming videos, they are picking up a lot of trends and they are great famous right now, particularly if you are finding good videos in YouTube or trying to getting a plenty of views. It is going to be easy getting a lot of clicks on your shortened links. That's precisely what these top guys are doing to make so much money from several countries in the world for every single video that they watch. And that's it. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.